Welcome to Study Loop.
In order to, let's visualize this triangle, and it's not going to be to scale here, but let's say this is angle A, B, C, and angle A is 83 degrees, side C is opposite angle C is 43, and side B opposite angle B is 51. To solve this triangle, we'll need to find the measure of angle B, the measure of angle C, and side A. With the law of cosines, we can find side A first. We can say that A squared is equal to 43 squared plus 51 squared minus 2 times 43 times 51 times the cosine of the included angle. That's the law of cosines. And so A would be the square root of all of that. So we can go right to a calculator here. Just make sure you are in degree mode. So we've got the square root of 43 squared plus 51 squared minus 2 times 43 times 51 times the cosine of 83 degrees, and that is 62.57. I'm going to go to 2 decimal places, but you can round accordingly. You can call it 62.6. Now we can find the measure of angle B. The measure of angle B would be found using the law of sines. We can say that the sine of angle B over side B is equal to the sine of angle A over side A. With some cross multiplying, 51 to both sides, it's gone from the left, and then you can inverse sine both sides. You'll have angle B is equal to the inverse sine of 51 sine 83 over 62.57. And that can go straight into a calculator. So inverse sine of 51 sine 83 over 62.57. And I'm going to round the degrees to the nearest, well, I'll go to the nearest one, 54 degrees. 54 degrees for angle B. And then all triangles have 180 degrees. If one of them is 83 that was given and we just found the other to be 54, then there's 43 degrees left for angle C. And we are solved for number 3. For number 4, again, I just like a little reference triangle. That's just me. Angle B is 113 degrees. Side A is opposite angle A. Side C is opposite angle C. And we've got the law of cosines again. We'll need to find the measure of angle A, the measure of angle C, and side B. Again, using the law of cosines to find side B, you can say that B squared is equal to, I'll start with 27. 27 squared plus 43 squared minus 2 times 27 times 43 times the cosine of 113 degrees. And like we did before, we can just square root and find it all at once. So it's the square root of 27 squared plus 43 squared minus 2 times 27 times 43 times the cosine of 113. And we get, let's call it 59.04. You could call it 59 possibly, depending on how liberally you can round. Now we can use the law of sines to find angle A. So we can say the sine of angle A over its opposite side 27 is equal to the sine of angle B, which is 113, over its opposite side, what we just found, 59.04. With some cross multiplying, 27 to both sides, and then inverse sine both sides, and we've got angle A equals the inverse sine so here we go, inverse sine of 27 sine 113 over 59.04. We'll call it 24.9 degrees. To the nearest tenth. You may just call that 25 degrees possibly. And then there's 180 degrees in a triangle. We knew one of them was 113. We just found the other to be 24.9. So that leaves us with 42.1 degrees, or just 42 for angle C. And the triangles are solved. Hope that helps.